So professionalism then, it's referring to the way that we behave, the way we represent ourselves in our workplace. And that's what we are focusing on, because it's a different style of behavior that we would exhibit in our workplace compared to in our social life or at home when we're more relaxed. And as you can see, a professional attitude, it makes you more trustworthy, more reliable. You come across as somebody who is a professional, who has experience, who wants to treat everybody fairly and with a positive attitude. So the way we represent ourselves in our workplace, it should be different from how we present ourselves in a social environment. And as we've already said together, we do come into contact with various people in our own education settings, stakeholders, students, officials, administration staff. We must treat all of them with respect and consideration, and then we will get it back in return.